am so sorry for keeping you waiting this long. It is due to some pressing issues in the palace. Please forgive me.
It's okay, please forgive me. You know what? We have to go now. We have spent all day here. We have to go to attend to us other issues.
Yes, I
Maybe
know.
some other time, when the prince will be less busy, okay?
I know, and I regret keeping you this long. Anne, my dear, don't worry yourself, okay? My son and I will surely make it up to you.
It's okay.
Please take this.
Oh
no, I insist. Take it, get something for you and your daughter on your way back home. The driver is already in the car waiting. He will take you to the house.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Ebuka atokwa gị n'ọnụ there. Did you hear me? Emelda asked me, Ebuka atokwa gị n'ọnụ. What is wrong with you now? Leave me alone, Emelda. Why are you shouting my name all over the village as if I stole something from you? Ezumgo the phone.
Ebuka, what is it? Why can't you put smile on your face, even if it is once for me? Why are you always mean? Ebuka, can't you see love in my eyes? Smile for me, fine man. Smile for me.
Smile
now.
for you?
Yes.
You are very stupid. Idiot. I should smile for you. What is wrong with you, Imelda? Stop following me about in this village. Oh, when you Maggie, leave me now. Why are you loving someone that doesn't love you?
Ebuka, can't you see I love you? Eh? Can't you see? What is it in Chikwado that you cannot see in me?
Chimo.
Eh? Is it boobs? Breast? No. Ebuka, I love you. Ebu.
Come on, Makana Hoso. Are you okay? You want to touch me? How?
I love you.
Imelda, go back to where you're coming from. Stop following me about in this village. Imelda, go back to where you're coming from. I don't love you. Go back.
Ebuka, today, wherever you're going, I'm with you.
You are with me.
Can't you see I love you? Look into my eyes. Can't you see love?
Madoka Kebo. Ebu Madoka.
Mama Madoka. Ebu.
Imelda, go back.
Ebu. Mo.
I will do something you will not like. Oh.
Ebu. Ebu. Hey, wait.
Angela, what is wrong with you? Have you gone crazy again?
No. The only person that has gone crazy in this palace is your useless son, Ugonna.
Angela, do you realize that Ugonna is the crown prince? And he is going to be the king of this community. And as such, demands respect from you. At least, respect for the throne of your fathers.
Ugonna, your useless son, will never earn my respect in this palace. I am here to pass a message to your son through you. Warn him. I believe you're in the right position to do so.
Angela, watch your tongue. Angela, watch your tongue. What are you dragging with Ugonna? Tell me. Eh? What is all these quarrels and fights for?
Don't pretend as if you don't know what is going on. Tell Ugonna to stay off that property. It belongs to me. And me alone. If I see Ugonna on that property again, it's either he kills me or I kill him.
Angela,
warn him. Warn him!
Usamwa! Yeah, come.
Mama! Hey, Mom!
Come.
Oh!
Please quickly rush to the evening market and get these items. Cook the soup. And I don't want it salty or watery like usual. And if you know you will not cook it, please keep it for me. When I return, I will do it the way I like.
What are you trying to say? That a big girl like me doesn't know how to cook ordinary okra soup?
I am
like
not saying so. Someone. Just to apply a little caution.
Apply again. Mama, you want me to cook a very delicious soup? You want to tell me how to 15 naira?
Bishop, are you blind?
Mama, this is 15 naira. How gonna do?
Can't you see it?
Okay, it's 200. So bad, how go? There you go.
Verenka. 1,000 naira. One more thing. Don't go to the market and fight anybody.
Yeah.
Don't go and fight.
Mama, what's the meaning of that? Did I tell you I have time for that? Why me go moto?
Go again.
I go moto.
Let's take leg and go. You see, not the market.
Okay, I'm drop baga.
What about you?
No problem, Mama. But you be expecting me tomorrow. I won't come back to you. Tomorrow.
Someone.
Tomorrow.
Don't go and fight anybody in the market. Don't fight anybody.
No. Mom, I am not going to take this anymore. What? Mom, I am not going to take Angela's exercise anymore. Can you imagine? Angela went to the site and asked all the workers at the site to stop working. Angela stopped them from working at the site and threatened to lock them up if she ever sees them inside that site working again. Angela.
Ugo, now my son. Ugo.
Mom, Angela has no right whatsoever over my dad's property. If I want, I can give Angela what I want to give to her. Willingly. But she doesn't have any right over any property. She's a woman.
She even want me to talk to you. Yes. Angela asked me to warn you.
What? How dare she? How dare Angela talk to you? Asked you to warn me? Angela.
Yes.
One bad sick. How dare she?
Good night.
I missed you too. Honestly.
Thank God you're back
I
now.
missed you so much.
Stop, Joe.
But now I'm back, I'm back here, so stop missing me. And meanwhile, I know what you missed about me.
What's the job?
You know now.
Anyways, tell me, how did it go? Did your brother listen to you this time around?
Don't mind Collins. Don't mind Collins. See Collins, Collins is a very stingy and wicked person. I am telling you. Sometimes I regret calling him my brother. Collins is very stingy, and his stinginess extends only on me. I am telling you. Collins is not stingy to himself or outsiders. Only when he sees Ebuka or Wakaradite.
But Makagin is in. Why now? How you know his brother?
That's what I'm saying. In fact, sometimes I find it difficult to call him my brother. Honestly. But if for Collins, I will never let him rest. I will continue to trouble him. I will continue to paste Collins until he settles me. You see that his house in the city. I must go back there again. Yes, I will go there.
My love, I think you're right. But this time around, I will go with you. And I will go with you to the city. You said he is stingy to you alone. Sosogi. He's not stingy to outsiders. Let me follow you to the city and beg him. He might have a change of heart. And tell me, what did you buy for me from the city?
Baby.
Baby,
tell
me.
Baby, what do you want? Don't worry, Adam loaded. I have money. Just say it. What do you want? Yeah.
The
Okay, the envelope. Okay, the envelope.
Angela has beaten more than she can chew.
Oh, yes. There you are, Ugonna. I've been looking for you.
Woman, hold your daughter. Hold your daughter. Tell her to stay away from my mother and I. Tell her.
Ugonna, I am right before you. Talk to me and don't be a coward.
Angela, watch your step. Mind how you step on this dangerous soil. I've kept quiet for a long time now. And do not take my simplicity for stupidity.
Ugonna, take those stupid men out of that land. I will not warn you again. Dad gave me that land before he died.
You lie. You lie. And listen, I do not want to see you on that land again. Do you understand? This house and everything belongs to me. I say what happens. Do you understand? Be careful.
You're lying.
Be careful.
You're very stupid for saying that. You don't own no property. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? This is what you have always wanted.
Warn your daughter here. She has gone crazy.
It's your son who has gone mad. What nonsense! Stupid prince! Useless seller. Can you imagine?
Kekisele.
Hey, customer.
Okra. How are you selling it?
Okay, all of them.
All of them.
Okay. Everything is 500.
Eh? It's a good
500.
It's too expensive. Now, you're going to get if I give you the remaining 500, I'm going to it's very expensive.
Oh yeah, how much do you want to buy everything?
Let me dash you 150. You give me everything. Oh?
Eh?
150.
Hey! You for Kuku still am na? Or you for price am like as I don't put am like you for price am 15 I carry and go house. How can you price all this okra for 150? How?
150 is okay for you.
Ha! Oh yeah, get out of here. Come on, say that one here. Get out. Yes, I said you should get out of my shop.
Oh, you want more?
You can't get.
This is totally unacceptable. Yes, our late Igwe was a man well respected for his great wisdom, gentle, and a peaceful nature. I am sure that wherever he is now, looking at the family he left behind, he will be disappointed and sad. Please, I beg of you, let the peace that your father lived and known for continue in this palace. Please.
Prince Ugonna and the Princess Angela. We are not happy how things have gone sour between you two. Both of you are siblings. Whatever the matter is, I am sure there will always be a playing ground for safe landing. Please, I beg of you, let there be no more quarrel between the two of you.
My elders, I only want Ugonna to hands off that land. You are very, very stupid, Ugonna.
Does woman fight for land? Why are Nazani? Huh?
That land practically belongs to me, Ugonna. Stay off that land. Stay off that land.
Angela, let me ask you this question. The land is a question. Angela, how is that land yours? Please tell us.
It was given to me by our late father, the king.
My friend,
so it's my land!
Shut up. That land is not yours. Silly bugger. It's not your land. So, Mechipono. A woman does not own land in this community. That land is a royal land. Huh? When it was time to look for a better site, it was only that land is befitting for it. So I chose it.
Ugonna,
that land is not yours.
You chose that land because of your malicious and wickedness. Stay away from that land. If I see you anywhere close to that land again, I will fight you with the last drop of my blood.
Do you have any blood in you before? Vampire.
Try me.
Witches and wizards.
Stupid prince.
Come on.
Allah.
Idiot. We need to see the queens.
Polygamous family.
We need to see the queens.
The house is on fire.
Yes.
You have said it.
Yes.
And that is exactly what we are going to do.
Yes.
To fear what?
Yes, my son. How are you people? I have gone to the nurse for my eyes, to check on my eyes. And she listed some drugs to me. But I did not buy it because I don't have money. You know, it's been a while you sent me money. What? You gave Ebuka money for me. But he did not tell me anything about it. And he did not give me any money. No. He is not around now. When he comes back, I will ask him of it. This Ebuka. Don't worry, my son. I'll do that. But please, try to do something because of my eyes. It's getting worse by the day. It's okay. Take care. Ebuka. This boy, This Ebuka, Okay, let him go and come back. Agaracha must come back. I'm waiting for him here.
Please, our queens, we beg both of you to talk to your children. because you are in a better position to talk to them. Please.
I don't have a problem talking to my daughter. The problem we have in this palace is Queen Amara.
You are the problem we have. Why can't you talk to your daughter? Control and cut down her excesses. She is the only one causing problem in this palace.
You and your son are the one causing trouble in this palace. Ever since you entered this palace, we've known no peace.
Were there peace before your husband decided to pick another wife shortly after he married you?
You seduced him. You lured him into having an affair with you while he was still married to me.
Oh yes! He found me more attractive than you are. I gave him the peace that you couldn't give to him.
You lie. You lie! That's a big lie.
Please stop, my queens. You are before the elders. How long are we going to continue like this?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Give me my money. Ebuka, if you know what is good for you, give me my money. Else, we will put one leg in one trouser.
Which money are you talking about, Mama? Which money? Which money are you talking about? Mama, listen. Ebuka can be anything in the world, but certainly not a thief.
Ebuka, give me that money now. 1, before the count of 10. Here go my money now, come. 1, 2.
Mama, I don't know. Which money are you talking about? Mama, please.
4.
Mama, please. Just go inside and look for your money where you kept it. You know you easily forget things. You must have kept the money where you cannot even remember anymore. Biko, I don't have your money. I'm not holding any of your money. Biko.
How can I go to search for the money I did not keep?
You did not keep money. What are you asking again?
Give me the money your brother gave you to give to me. 50,000 naira. You did not even mention it. I'm sure the drink is not part of that money. You have to give it to me.
Chimo.
1 naira, man, pukwa naira.
Mama, did Collins tell you he gave me money to give to you? Mama, I have told you to stop listening to Collins. Stop listening to Collins. Collins must have been in the midst of friends, and he wanted to buga. He wanted to show them he takes care of you and I. And he now picked phone. Hello, Mama. Do you know that I gave Ebuka 50,000 naira to give you?
For where? Shut up your mouth. You are a big liar. A very big liar. Bring that money. Complete. 1 naira, man, pokwa naira. Collins has no reason to lie to me. Besides, I was the one that called him, not the other way around.
Mama, it's obvious you're jealousing my enjoyment here. You're jealousing me here. Stay. Let me change location. You can stay here. Let me.
Give me that money.
Mama,
bring it out.
You don't want me to stay here. Stay. Let me go to another location and enjoy myself.
Unless you bring out that money.
Mama, Collins did not give me any money.
You will not have any peace in
Collins
this house.
did not give me any money in your name. He didn't give me any money.
Okay.
Hapum, let me go out.
Go out now.
Mama, Hapunumaka.
Leave you. For where?
Mama, leave me now.
We die here.
It's all about Anne. You know, we've never really had time to discuss about her again. She's a good girl, educated, respectful, very homely. I strongly believe she's the kind of woman you need. Someone who will be supportive of you. She's quite intelligent. I like her. Yes.
Okay, Mom. I have my spec, you know.
I know.
What do him not like? So I really love to see this girl because you've talked about her so much. So I would love to see her.
I'm sure you would like her as well. I will put up a call to Maureen so that we can fix a day for both of you to meet.
Mom, I won't doubt your judgment. I believe so much in that.
All I want is the best for my son. You see, an intelligent woman will surely give birth to intelligent children. And that is Maureen. She's so intelligent. I mean, her mother. So I will equally like my grandchildren to be creative and be breaking records.
Mom, why don't you just put a call?
I will, sure.
Place a call.
For sure.
Set my eyes.
Excuse me, sir. No problem. My son wants to meet with Anne, your daughter. Will tomorrow be okay? No problem, weekend then. No, it wasn't your fault either. Yes. Oh, thank you so much, my dear. Thank you. Okay.
Let me go in and rest. Let me go and rest.
No. You want to go and rest? Then bring my money. If not, you're not going anywhere. Money your younger brother sent to me for me to use and go for my eye treatment. Now you are tired, you want to go and rest. Come and rest now.
Mama, did you say your eye treatment?
Your mouth treatment.
I didn't know. College should have told me the money was meant for your eye treatment. At least I should have been more gentle with it.
Oh, College needs to take permission from you. He needs to tell you what I'm supposed to do with the money before giving it to you.
Mama, at least or to pay a good mazo. At least or to pay mazo. Be specific. It's for Mama's eye treatment. When I'm spending, I'll be spending is Mama's eye treatment.
Okay. There will be no peace for you until you give me my money.
Mama,
and it must be complete. 50,000 naira.
Mama, oh, sorry. I didn't know. How can I be at home and my mother will go blind? I didn't know, Mama. I'm sorry. This is for your eye treatment. This is 3,000. This is what is left of the money. Just use it. I will give you the balance later.
Ebuka, 3,000 naira out of 50,000. What did you do with the money? I am the one that have been taking care of everything in this house, down to betting soap. I feed you. What did you do with the money?
Mama, how can you be asking a grown-up man like me what he does with money? Don't I have needs? I have needs. I have to take care of myself. I have people I take care of. I have girlfriend. I have you to take care of. Yes, I have you. I have to take care of you. I need to take care of myself. You're asking me what I'm doing with money.
Me? Have you ever taken care of me before? Is it not your younger brother that have been taking care of me? Ebuka, so you want me to go blind? No, that was why you squandered the money.
No, that is why I'm giving you...
And it's only giving me 3,000 naira.
That's why I'm giving you 3,000. If you go to hospital, you tell the doctor, take this one for deposit. start the treatment. My son, Ebuka, will bring the remaining one. It's very simple.
You should be ashamed of yourself, Ebuka. Collins is your younger brother. When go for Lala, when topo. Oh, what they go, you richer.
I'll be a younger brother.
You are not going anywhere.
They don't make money by younger brother or elder brother. Eh? Anybody can make money. I can still be richer than Collins tomorrow. I'll be a younger brother. Take this money. Take this money, go to hospital. I don't want you to go blind. You're my mother. I love you so much. Take this money.
Oh, you understand your mom? Eh? Indirectly insulting me.
Mama, you don't understand. Okay.
So bad. Stay there. You will sleep there today. This house, you will not enter it.
Mama, is that not your elder sister that is coming?
Which elder sister?
Is that not Mama Chukuma that I'm seeing? Auntie, good afternoon.
Ebuka! Ebuka, come here. Bring my money. Ebuka! Bring your money. Bring my money. Usama! Usama! Please come.
Get some water for me to rinse this bitter leaf. Use bucket. Be fast about it now. Now, dog.
Mama, so you say get fast about it. I should be fast about it. Should be fast. Be fast about it. I will be fast about it.
Chinakemi. Usama.
What have you done? What have I not done?
Why did you pour sand inside my wash bitter leaf? Why?
What do you mean why? Mama, I have told you several times, I don't like someone trying to command me. I can't be controlled like that. You told me to get me water. I went to get the water. You told me, be fast about it. You're counting your legs. Don't command me, oh. Mama, you cannot command me. I hate it.
Osama, I am your mother, and I have every right to tell you what to do.
And as my mother, you should understand that I am a mature woman now. I'm no longer that small girl you gave birth to me so many years ago. You cannot control me left and right to do what I want to do. No, I cannot do it. I hate it. I down where I show you.
What is all this? Hey! Okam Sije, one a make couple. Keeponyara one chance. Here!
Prince Ugonna. Don't you ever have moments of rest? Always busy with one thing or the other.
Good day.
Yes, good day, my son. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Can I help you?
Oh, no. Everything is fine. You can go ahead with your work. I was just checking on you.
Ebuka, where is my money? Ebuka, bring me that money, oh. You will not have peace. It's paining me. Bring that money, let me go for checkup. Eh? Can you go to Sobu Bifa?
You are not the one that brought the money to give it to me. Wahala. Here. You must give me that money.
Yeah, Mama, I will give you the money.
It will not go like the other ones. Omangapa.
I'll give you the money. It's just I don't have it right now. I don't have it now. But I will give you. Every dime I'm owing you, I will give you.
You mean you will give me all the money you are owing me?
Of course. I will give you. I will even add extra money on it. I will add plenty money on it. I will buy you George. I will buy you lace. I will buy you wrapper. Hollandis, so not high target or wax. I will buy you mother of all wrapper. I'll buy you Hollandis.
You.
Mama, trust me.
Buy for me.
Am I not your first son again? What I didn't do for you, who else will I do it for? Eh? You may go, oh, you can make I'm your first son. I will buy you. I will give you plenty money. Eh? Don't worry. Mama. I will buy you. Just cool down, eh? Mama, Mama, there is something I want to beg of you. There's something I want you to help me do. I want you to help me talk to Collins. You know, he's my only brother. If he doesn't help me, who else will help me? Eh? All I'm asking for is just small capital to start up business. Mama, I know he listens to you. Talk to him on my behalf. Bikon, oh?
I should help you talk to Collins to help you.
Exactly.
Ebuka, you are the cause of the problem between you and your brother. You should have been doing well by now like your mates. But you made your choice. You chose the path of destruction. Now, look at where it has landed you.
Mama, happy here destruction now. Leave all those words. Eh? Why is it that every time I bring up this issue, you people will be referring to the past? The past is in the past. Let's focus on my future. I'm talking about my future. Eh? Let's focus on the future. All the one man to the other again, you know that. Other man to the other again, help me talk to Collins. If it takes you to cry. Shout, roll on the ground. Do whatever it takes to convince Collins to give me some money to start up business. That's all. Eh?
You are right. You said I should cry, shout,
Mama, man,
roll on the ground, and make sure he helps you.
Mamu wenke kada one, do it. Eh? Scream. Eh? Go mad. Let him feel you and give me money. You can do it for me.
Somebody wrong one. Oh, Aparuku. Aparamo. I will do it for you. If I didn't do it for you, who will I do it for?
You see why I love you.
I will do it for you. Your brother will help you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Something is definitely wrong with you. Eh? You mean I should go mad? I should cry, shout, roll on the ground? Mba, I will rotate on the ground. Go inside, bring water, pour it on the ground. Let me roll on it in order to make sure your brother helps you.
Roll.
I will. That is exactly what I'm doing. You can still help one. Go and bring my money. You know, get out of here.
You cannot help me.
Help you for what?
You cannot roll on the ordinary ground for me.
Allah has against you roll. Roll on the ground.
Let me go and kill myself.
Get out of here and bring my money.
Bring
my money. That is all I want.
But when it will say, don't call me, oh. Because small time now, if this house comes down, if anything happens to you now, help me.
Looking for me.
Talk to Collins. What is there? Am I the only person that has made mistake? Because he gave me money and it didn't work out. Eh? People make mistake. People make me. You try business, it didn't work. Money will go. You still, your brother's mother, everybody will help you. What is there? Talk to Collins now. Talk to him.
You can go and bring my money. Go and bring my money. No, okay. In Asamisi, Mama, I will buy you clothes. I will buy you wax, not wax. Mother of all clothes, Hollandis, less. If you see money now, you use it on yourself. You cannot spend 1 naira, common 1 naira on me. Who will call you? If anything happens, nobody will call you. It's Collins that they will call. Ebuka, bring my money. Queen Alice. Hey, my long time friend.
My good friend.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Alice, you are looking good as usual.
Oh, thank you.
How is Angela?
Whoa, Angela is fine and she sent her greetings.
Oh, that's nice of her.
Yes.
Hey, Alice,
So how are you?
I am fine. Please, I am sorry. I am sorry that I have not been able to reach you after the demise of your husband, the king. Alice, I lost my phone. And since then, I have not been able to replace it or to get your number back. Please forgive my manner. Please.
It's okay, my good friend. I understand. Where is Usongwa? She must be doing well for herself now.
Yes. She is fine.
Is she married?
Usongwa is fine. Please, let's go inside. Please, come.
My dear friend, I think I prefer the natural breeze here.
Okay, then.
Let's stay here.
Let me get a seat. Hey, Alice, my friend, the queen has visited me. Oh, Alice, oh, see my friend, the queen is in my house.
Ugonna, what have I done to you in this part? What have I done to you? What's your problem?
Do you know what your problem is? You think you can solve problem by creating problem for everybody around you.
I don't have a problem, Ugonna. It is you who has a problem. Probably I should remind you that I am your elder sister.
Practically, we are twins from different mother. Okay? Just that you came out a few minutes before me.
Ugonna, let me warn you for the last time. If you don't stay within your space, this palace will be too hot for you and I. And what stupid instruction did you give to the manager at the bakery? Huh? Ugonna. Ugonna.
The last time I checked, you made a lot of withdrawal. That bakery is not your personal business. We all have equal share in it. So if I instructed the manager not to give you any money, that wasn't wrong. Because you have to take approval from everybody before you do that.
Ugonna, stay within your space. Else, I will rubbish you.
Make your empty threats to the gutter. You're not going to do anything. I tell you, you are not getting any money from that bakery or any of the company. Only your personal allowances.
Ugonna, I'll teach you a lesson that you will not forget in a hurry.
So that's it, Alice. Nobody wants to have anything with someone in this village. Talk more of asking for her hand in marriage. She's becoming more violent day by day.
Gochi, my friend, all hope is not lost. All things work together for good. You know my stepson, Ugonna.
Your co-wife's son.
Yes, you're right. He's looking for a wife. And I think Usongwa will make a good wife to him. We can push Usongwa to him. Yes. Usongwa is a very beautiful girl. Of all the girls brought to him, I have not seen anyone that can compete with Usongwa.
Hey, Alice. I will be very happy. Alice, I will be very, very happy if you will make this work. Alice, you have come a very long way. Yes, if you can make this work for me, please work towards it. Do it for me. We are good friends. Please, Alice, do it for me.
It's okay, my good friend. I will try my best on my own path. But the ball is in your court. Yes. You need to talk to someone. Make her see reasons. I just pray she does not display in his presence until after the marriage.
That is my fear too. Alice, that is my fear too. You don't caution her. If you try caution her, she flares up.
She's becoming violent day by day. You don't talk to her, you don't advise her.
Don't worry, my good friend. Everything will be fine. Where is she now?
I don't know. I don't know where she has put her. In the morning you will see her, she will dress and she will walk away to another place. And if you try to ask her with someone, where are you coming from? Where have you been since? You say, who authorized you to ask me question? Don't you know that I'm a grown woman? You will see her becoming more violent. Don't know, just help me. If you can make this work out for me, if you can do this for me, Queen Alice, I will be happy and I will be indebted to you.
It's okay.
Please help me.
Everything will work out fine, okay?
Thank you very much.
It's okay, my good friend.
Thank you, Ezioyim. Thank you, Ezioyim.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have to take my leave now.
Let me go and get you PS. No.
Please don't bother yourself. Maybe when next I come, okay?
I'm going nowhere. You want me to leave this palace, right? I am going nowhere. You want to take over the family business and property. We'll die here. You and I will die for this house.
You know what? You are sick. Sick in the head.
You are the one that is sick. Fool! You are a big fool, Ugonna. I don't blame you. Look at you. Stupid boy like you. You are talking to me. Better talk to that manager. If you don't talk to that manager, the next time I will get to that office, it will be very hot for you and I. And no fear, idiot. And you, what are you doing here? Didn't you see me?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Sorry, my foot. Where is my mother?
She went up 3 hours ago.
To where?
I don't know, my princess.
All of you are just useless. Go for another people everywhere. What are you doing? Get out of my sight. Get out. William. Hey, how do I look? You look very beautiful, just like a princess. Oh, well, I am sure that anyone that sees you would like you.
Eh? So, Mama, you're saying that the prince will like me like this?
It's only a blind man will not see this radiating beauty.
Oh,
Iya, you are very beautiful, my daughter. Iya. Thank you so much.
Okay, now let's go.
One more thing. Okay. Also, remember all that I told you. You must behave like a princess. You don't talk until you are asked directly. Don't get angry. Take this. Take this chewing gum.
Chewing gum?
Put it in your mouth. Chew it gently and slowly. Okay?
Mama, what will this do for me?
Put it in your mouth and chew it. You'll understand.
To make the prince like me more.
Very, very well.
Okay.
Yes.
What's what?
What's what? Back up. Get the door locked. Let's go. Hey!
Apple.
Am I seedless?
ask.
My queen,
Yes.
what is going on? We haven't seen the prince since weekend.
Ugochi, my friend. Relax. I know what I'm doing. All I need is for the prince to set his eyes on Osonwa. That's all. Relax your mind.
Mommy, I have said it and I am still saying it again. I don't have a dime to waste on this big for nothing. Instead of me to waste such money, it's better I put it into a burning fire, or better still, dash it out to beggars, Mama.
No, my son. A burning fire, I reject it. Instead of putting it into a burning fire, it's better you give it to me, your mother. I will safeguard it, I will keep it well. Manna. If I'm not good, I'm asking we have to help him. We will help him. He is your own.